Gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Eating Competition. Here was our last winner. Today, General say one challenge. I say, he knows a bishop.
I won't win now.
Say, knows a bishop. Say, what it be 15 akpu.
Full option, I won't win now. See.
Here is state another award for the winner.
No, as you watch, no worry.
Let the battle begin.
Yes.
So this body pushes so.
The paro.
Plus, it's calm down.
Your time start now. We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
That's the trouble.
Think give our head now as the winner now. You got like 5 ahead first.
Let one win. Let one win. You can have two. All right. Bring that table.
Right there, Tom.
Now smart now. I don't say you're a winner.
No, if I first start race, oh.
No, I don't say you're a winner.
Don't worry, just now.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
No, but let them motivate you to know Facebook.
General will win. Clap for General.
Even they fall fast like
General. Let's go.
This blesses you, boy, and don't work.
Let's go. I know you can do it. Another 5 minutes.
But you wait now. It's sorry.
Now 10K they involve.
Ah.
A whole 10K.
Look at them bells around.
But I go tire just now. I get me to tire.
Bros.
General.
If you win, you'll give me 3K, I beg.
But I forget that one. General winner.
No, if I first start race, oh.
You go tire just now.
Yes, you can't go reach us like, okay. I don't call gospel.
EJ.
Get the kind of motivation when they want, bros. Don't let anybody motivate you.
You go win.
Don't let anybody motivate you, pa.
If I miss it, they try to motivate myself.
You said you don't.
This year no grief for anybody.
No agree.
No grief for now. Another food.
Why?
No grief for anybody this year, Baba.
This guy not the belly fool.
You don't better.
The belly fool.
Is that 500 odd?
You got it short 30. This one have 15. Oh.
How many odds will put on inside? I wish you know.
I know that this stop.
As well, put on.
This one at 93 of one.
Oh, stick on.
But this guy, before they lose one, we don't show seven.
You don't tire. Next one is not the school.
You not foul.
For plenty. Oh.
Let's say you see person for this side.
You know, feet, we not. Now, I had to give an ahead. Because if
Now,
one
for you,
start.
for you, no.
No, you don't give an ahead. I just not ahead.
I give a handicap one.
No. Now, only want to don't talk yes, since. Yes, so this better not get one now.
Who fit challenge this boy now?
No go put body if you don't get mad.
If you can challenge this boy, DM in the comment section. This is what it be Akbu. What it be Akbu?
This boy don't win.
Bros, no what you do now. You leave one first. Maybe you walk around.
Handicap.
Maybe balance.
Hey, she bobo.
Who can win this boy? I don't see somebody them will win
Bros,
now.
you will go places.
But people them will win now.
You go far in life.
You will go far in life.
You will make it. I'm a winner. If let it be this one, I say I never sleep wake up.
I wish that yesterday.
I never sleep now since 4 days. So now when I don't sleep wake up, this one has mountain. I'm made 800.
You don't show support. Oh, do more, do. EJ, don't be ordinary name, oh. They try to do more,
I
do.
don't give up. You don't win.
Bros, and now we see why I win you.
That's why they shop my own.
Be like say pause today this guy belle. Pause.
Person will use juju.
Now, here are the gods they chop this
Person will
food.
use clear.
Nah,
person will
juju.
use
Now,
like
you
you
do,
say.
here are the gods they chop this food because me don't know where they go.
They try for back.
Wanna check ground well.
Nah, so cellophane.
Bros, use clear. He use juju.
Yeah, I look like I'm doing both don't work.
Oh, do more. We are finally see winner.
Bro, he don't keep passing. For your own, I
Don't carry him more arrest. Don't carry him.
Winner! Take your money. Your award.
Submit.
Bro, you finish Miss Monty said I chop.
Take our award.
Next to it was Miss Monty said.
Winner! Mo Fala.
Oh, do
If you can challenge this boy,
You don't feel
DM
like
in the comment section.
Don't drop
Say
your
with
head.
Abu. You can challenge you DM.
You just know I miss
The next challenge is for 20,000
You
naira.
don't do. People wey want chop for back there.
The next challenge is for 20,000 naira.
Don't do.
Anybody if you
Me, I
challenge
never
them,
chop,
DM.
oh.
Give am chance. Go finish our own joint.